Introducing Falcon 180B, the most powerful open large language model in the world from TII, with 180 billion parameters and 3.5 trillion tokens trained. The Hugging Face Leaderboard for open access long language models shows that TII is once again pushing the envelope in enhancing generative AI capabilities. Falcon 180B outperforms larger LLMs by major tech competitors. Falcon 180B is pleased to provide new doors for a more diverse AI world. For researchers and business users interested in supporting open science, Falcon 180B is open access. Separately from private sources, LLM's Falcon 180B performs on par with Google's Palm 2 significant rankings, coming in just below the most recent GPT-4 from OpenAI. You can run a demo by going to their Falcon 180B demo website. Link in the description. If you want to be the first to know the world's technology updates, subscribe me before it is too late.
Do it! Just do it!